Hey, I'm Bobby with Flippin' Nuts. I'm glad you took a minute to check out the video. I did this little short video on the coolant temp sensor. Apparently, and I didn't know this before this car, if this coolant temp sensor is bad, it'll actually cause a whole host of problems, and not the least of which, if you have a hard starting issue, or you have an issue where the car is kind of hard to start, but then also your fan's not working, or there's some like weird electrical issues with the car, this might actually be your problem. I can't tell you why that is. I haven't been able to figure that out, but I know if this temperature control sensor is bad, it'll cause a whole bunch of problems. So anyway, there wasn't any videos really on the Beetle with this issue, so I wanted to go ahead and get this one done real quick. So anyway, with that, let's check it out, and if you liked the video, feel free to hit the thumbs up and maybe a subscribe. And if you do subscribe, you'll actually be, you can check out the other videos on the Beetle. We have this one and then 3 others, and we're still actually working on the car. So we'll be posting more content on this little car and all the little repairs as we go, because this is actually my daughter's car. So, all right, with that, let's get to it. So what I'm doing now, guys, is I'm going to remove this sensor. This is the coolant temp sensor right here, and I've already unplugged it. And right here, it's kind of hard to see, but this key right here goes right at the base of it, right? And then you pull that out, and that releases it once it's unplugged. The plug itself is right here, and what you do is you push down on this and pull up. These are so brittle, I did that and it kind of cracked, so I took right here and I went in underneath it and was able to pull up on it at the same time, and that released it. So I know that was kind of hard to tell, hard to see, but that's what I did. So once that's out, you just simply pull up on it, and it comes right out. There it is. This one looks pretty rough. According to what I was reading online, when these are bad, it causes a whole host of problems with starting, cold starting. And this car has a real problem with cold starting. It doesn't want to start. Once it starts, it's fine, and it gets better as it gets warmer. And all of those are symptoms of a bad coolant temp sensor, which is what I got here. So let me get the other one put in right quick, and we'll see how much better, if it helps at all. Okay, so it's in there, and I'm going to hook the battery back up. I'm going to get this hose put back on right there. Hook the battery back up, and we'll be good to go. Give it a whirl, see if it works. Okay, guys, so if you have a hard starting issue and your AC is not working, or none of the fan controls are working, coolant temp sensor, and that'll take care of it. I just did it. This thing was really hard to cold start. I put the sensor in there. I still need a MAF sensor, but we get that ordered up and on the way. But once I put the coolant temp sensor in there, CTS, it literally started right up first try, and now all the AC controls work. Why that is, I have no idea, but I'm just happy with the results. So hope that helps you. We're gonna get on to the next thing now, so we can get this car driving. It's crazy that coolant temp sensor can cause so many different issues, but you know, the proof is right here. I just proved it to myself, if nobody else. So hopefully it'll take care of your problem. But either way, have a great day. I'm glad you guys checked out the video. Bye.